Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap last week's market action and discuss our game plan for the coming week. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we used the long weekend to research plays for our subscribers, and we have a potential short squeeze to kick off the new trading week. Over 10% of the float is currently short on this Nasdaq biotech. This one has major spike potential and a lot of upcoming catalysts. This is the perfect cocktail for a major short squeeze. To get our full report on this Nasdaq biotech, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, August is finally over. Markets bounced last week after a terrible August for the most part. I am expecting September to be just as volatile as traders look to run up the scoreboard for the last part of the year. We are still higher on the year in terms of mid caps and large caps. It's small caps that have been the tougher sector of the market. I still think you need to be focused on hitting singles and doubles. Don't go looking for those triple-digit runners because those are harder to come by. The key when it comes to investing and trading is just be consistent. For this holiday shortened week, I am watching starting Tuesday. Short interest levels have moved higher once again on Novavax, NVAX, and Fisker, FSR. Tingo Group, TIO, and Outlook Therapeutics, OTLK, have seen spikes in trading volume. Options trading volume on Vinfast, VFS, has started to add to the volatility being seen in the electric vehicle stock. Digital World Acquisition, DWAC, could also see some swings with a shareholder vote on extending the Spac deal with Trump's Truth Social scheduled. If a DWAC vote does not go through by September 8th, the deal could be terminated. Earnings watch for Tuesday include Zscaler, ZS, Health Equity, HQY, and Asana, ASAN. Options trading implies a double-digit swing in share price for America's Carmart, CRMT, after the auto retailer reports. On Wednesday, notable companies due to report include UiPath, PATH, and American Eagle Outfitters, AEO. Options trading implies a double-digit swing for C3.AI, Torrid Holdings, CURV, and GameStop, GME after the reports. GameStop has seen double-digit moves after 3 of its last 4 earnings reports, including an 18% slide after the Q1 report. At 2 p.m. on Wednesday, the Fed's Beige Book for September will be released. On Thursday, we get earnings from DocuSign, DOCU, Guidewire Software, GWRE, Smartsheet, SMAR, and Planet Labs, PL. We also get notable Fed speakers at 3:30 p.m. New York Fed President John Williams will be speaking in a forum, a moderate discussion before the Bloomberg Market Forum. And then at 3:45, Atlanta Federal Reserve Bank President Raphael Bostic will give a speech on the economic outlook in a moderated conversation hosted by Broward College. On Friday, notable companies due to report include Kroger's, KR. From last week's videos, we had some winners. SCTL was up 40% for the week. I highlighted this one. We had major insider buying at 40 cents, and I signaled that the low could be in, and it was. FNGR, new article on InsiderFinancial.com. Short sellers finger cash burn rate to paint insolvency risk. This is a rebuttal to a short and distort report that came out on Fingermotion, FNGR. I highly recommend everyone go to insiderfinancial.com and take a look at what the analyst had to say there. Carvana up 23% for the week. This one looks to want new 52-week highs. This is a breakout. We had trend line resistance right here. Breaking out here, looks like it wants to go back and travel and challenge the 57.19 pivot high. GSAT up 40% for the week. Former billionaire CEO Paul Jacobs, he is the new CEO of GSAT. He brought his key people with him. This guy doesn't need the money. He's loaded. Obviously, he sees potential with the GSAT and its technology and its patents. Look for him to make some major moves. I think this one is a longer term play. So again, don't hold me to it. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am watching GSAT for the longer term. TIGR, good week. Was up 49% for the week last week. Good earnings. This is a key breakout. We got up to 560. We have the 579 pivot high. We get above there, and this one is going to really keep running. So have this one TIGR on our radar screen. And China stocks look to be rebounding. So I think this one here is a prime China play that want to have on your radar screen. DELL, I talked about this one in the Thursday night video. Huge Friday. Calls were printing money all day. DELL is now an AI play. Even if you didn't play the earnings ahead of and I don't play stocks before the earnings. I play them after their earnings reports. I trade them accordingly. This one here opened at 64.09, dipped to 63.86, but it was green all day. So there was plenty of opportunities to make money in DELL. If you sign up with Webull, you can deposit any amount and be able to trade options with Webull. There's a referral link in the description. But even if you don't like trading options, you just want to buy 100 shares. If you bought 100 shares, let's say you got filled at it dipped down. Let's say at the open. Let's say you got filled at $64. It ran all the way to 70. So it closed at 68. That's $400. So you don't need to buy a lot of shares to make good money. So again, if you focus on what I've been talking about, just singles and doubles, trade it, don't own it, get in, get out, make that money. There's a lot of opportunities each day, and what we're trying to do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put these stocks on your radar screen so that which plays we think have the potential to run each day. And there's always opportunities each day, and just trying to help you guys as much as possible. AXLA, big week. Talked about this one all week. It's a long COVID treatment play. Got a new patent for that. Just a $17 million market cap, but it is trading right here at resistance. We got pivot highs at 45 cents. We need to really clear that, and then this one will make a significant run. We are trading above the 150-day moving average of just at 37.97. Let's see if they can if the bulls can keep the momentum going this week. We'll be watching this one for further upside this week. And then guys, everyone talks about the 50 and 200-day moving average. I simplify things, focus on the 150. It's right in the middle, and it tells you what the overall trend is. NVOS, and these are some charts that I'm going to be liking this week. NVOS. Trading right here at trendline resistance. We had the pivot high of 24.99. We closed at 21.50. We get above there. This one's really going to make a run. So going to be watching this one for breakout potential. TLRY, TLRY, again 308 pivot high. Need to get above there, but stocks, cannabis stocks, popped last week on news that the possible reclassification from a Schedule 1 to a Schedule 3, if I have that correctly. But reclassification is not the answer. There still will be some confusion. We need federal legalization. We need safe banking. That is what's really going to get things going. I think this is a dead cat bounce. This is just the stocks have gotten oversold, so we're getting some short covering. But the key is here, I think next year is going to be interesting. We have a presidential election year coming up. And, if Trump and Biden are the party nominees, I think they will be in favor of legalization. First of all, Biden, the left wing in the Democratic Party is going to be asking Biden, where have you been on legalization? Why haven't you legalized it? And Trump, he's politically savvy. He's pandering to votes. I think he's going to come out in favor of it. So I think you're going to have the two major candidates are going to be in favor of legalization. And it's about time Washington get their ducks in a row and get this passed. Schumer, get on the ball and just get it. If you've been in New York, guys, everyone's smoking weed everywhere. Subways, you can go to Saks Fifth Avenue, people are smoking, they're smoking on the sidewalk everywhere. So again, it just doesn't make any sense why it's not legalized. Palantir, PLTR, this one here is gearing up for a breakout. Watch above $16, and I think we're going to really go back and test the 2024 pivot high. QQQ, we're here. I mean, it's bounced off 354 in August. This one here is either going to make new highs and break through 390. We break through 390 and it's really going to get a lot of momentum. Or you could say it's going to roll over here. I don't know. There's a lot of, there's some people saying we got head and shoulders. Again, just focus on the price action. Don't try and predict. Follow the price action. Follow the markets, and keep things simple, guys. It'll be an interesting week in QQQ. Either we roll over or we're going to make a new high. So let's see what happens. And then, guys, there are some charts that are absolutely broken. I know it's tempting to try and pick a bottom. I'm watching these, but we are not there yet. Walgreens, Boots Alliance, I mean, this is new multi-year lows. Like, I think 10, 12 years, this is where the stock was trading 10, 12 years ago. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but look at Disney, same thing, trading where it was, 10 years ago. If you really want to, and I know this is, it's a lot of parents, a lot of people buy Disney for their kids. They think, put it away. It's better than buying them the Mickey Mouse cartoon, toys or whatever. It hasn't gone anywhere. If you had invested $10,000 10 years ago with dividends reinvested, you got $9,600. It's much better if you are a long-term investor focusing on for your retirement account. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. You're better off with a low-cost S&P index fund. I'm not a financial advisor, but they recalibrate the index, and the stocks that are performing well go to the front of the index. They get overweight, and the stocks that are underperforming get underweight. So that's why the indexes make a lot of sense and why they are probably the best long-term bets. Again, not a financial advice, but again, it's very tempting to try and pick a bottom on Walgreens, Boots, Disney. It's still not there yet. Warner Brothers Discovery. This is a major breakdown on Friday. I don't see support until under $9. We're probably going to go and test 52-week lows. Again, that's just based on the price action on Friday. It was ugly. Don't try going in and picking a bottom yet. Same with AMC. If you go to finviz.com, and focus on trend lines, it really is crystal clear, the technicals. And, we broke through here this trend line support for the longest time. The AMC was bouncing off that. We broke below it here, and then we rallied right up to it, and it's just been breaking down ever since. Down here, I don't see any support. We could go lower, we could bounce, but don't try and be a hero and bottom pick. Let's see how it plays out. A lot of times these bottom plays, it'll be crystal clear when that bottom is, but right now I don't see it. Same thing with Chewy. I mean, this was broke through trendline support. This one looks like it could go lower, so I am not trying to pick a bottom here either. And what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and ride that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. But our main focus to really kick off September is our report on a Nasdaq biotech potential short squeeze. The only way to get our report is to sign up with your email. We don't share our profiles on social media. For our full research report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great week, everyone. Bye-bye.